What's up, gang? It's your girl Quierra. Q. How are you? Okay, no, y'all. I'm gonna smoke, my little 1, 2, and talk to y'all. So every morning I do my little meditation, watch my little videos. And when it says my words, I can't even get my words out. My throat chakra. Go in there. Marco, go in there. Go in there. Go. Go. Marco, come on. Okay, I'm back, y'all. I'm sorry. I had to get some Cheetos. Had to deal with the kids, But y'all, my throat. Okay. I'm already zooted. I'm sorry. This gonna be like a little smoke session. 1, 2, 3. You feel me? But when your third eye opens and you realize shit. Like, you realize really what the fuck is going on? And they reveal stuff to you? It's like, what? What? And you be knowing. You be knowing. But spirit just bring it to you like, yep, that's what's going on right now. And you be knowing. You be knowing that's what's going on. Like, the spirit is really waking people up for real. Like, it's crazy. It's crazy. And I just know what's going on. Like, I just know. I know. But yeah, I was just watching my daily little, And it was like, yeah, that's what's going on. Pretty much. That's what's going on. All right, come on. Now we're doing A's, okay? Like the same thing we was doing right here. All right? A is for what? Apple. Good job. All right. Now, look. Can you see? Down. Down. And remember, you have to connect it from this part right here. That's the top. So you have to connect it. Then you have to do over. Okay? Now do it. Let's see if you can do it. Alright, first, breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Say, I can do it. Say, I can do it. All right. Come on. Down.
Go, Rocco.
Stop, Rocco. Here. All right. Come on. Down. Down. No. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. Hold it. You holding it? Down. Look at the paper, Juice. Down. Down. Over. All right. Come on. Now you do it right here.
Down.
Yep. Remember, connect it from the top. Come on, you got it. No. It's okay. It's okay. Come on, right here. Let me trace it for you. Maybe that will help. Let me see. You know all the puppy love songs. You don't know how to do this. Stop, because I don't even know what you're doing. Alright, here. Down. Start at the dot. Down. There you go. Down. Over. Yay! High five. High five. Okay. Come on, do it again. A is for what? Apple. No, remember we gotta do it like this one. Start at the top.
Start at the top.
Down. Down. Remember you have to connect it. And over. Okay? Now do it again, right here. Do it again, then we'll move on to B.
Down.
Connect it, connect it. Nope. Try again. It's okay. Try again. Remember, you have to connect it, Juice. It can't be over here. It has to be connected. Okay?
Look at me.
It's fine. Because he's going to have to do the same thing, too. Come on. Come on. Do it. Down. Down. Connect it. Connect it. Connect it. Juice. Hold it. Down. You have to connect it. See, from this part right here. It's like the top of the mountain. You have to connect it. Down. Now over. Okay? Try one more time. Down.
Down.
Stop, Rocco. Down. Connect it. Connect it. Connect it. Yep. Down. Good job. Down.
Down.
Over. Connect it. Over. Good job. Yay. See, I told you you could do it. I told you. I do it one more time. I want to see you do it one more time. Down. Yay. No. See, you can't do it like that. You can do it like this. But don't connect it right here. Connect it right here. See? That's an A. Alright? Alright. Now let's work on B. Work on the B's.
On the B's. Let's only B's.
Bear.
Bear.
Good job. Alright. Now this one is down. Down.
Over.
Yep. But that one, this one has like 2 boobs. Maybe I shouldn't say that. He'll say that in school. Sorry. Okay. Stop. You got a hump right here. And another hump right there. Okay? I'm going to do this one. Down. Yep. Yay. See, you got that one. You got that one, Juice. All right, do it one more time right here. What's that? What letter is that?
B.
Good job. B is for what?
Apples.
No, that's for eggs. What's
Pew, 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 pew. Pew. Ready to eat? Mom,
Good.
Mom, what are cameras?
good?
Mom, what are cameras?
Right there. Say hey.
Hi, that's another video.
Which video are we doing today? What are we eating?
The salad.
Seafood mukbang.
Mom,
Say seafood mukbang.
Mom, we doing the salad food.
Okay, I have my seafood right here.
And we got
they have, I got chicken tenders and sweet potato fries.
And we got apples. We got, what they call, Mom? What they call?
Sweet potato fries?
We got cake, sweet potato fry, and water. And,
No, that's honey mustard. Honey mustard.
and we got honey mustard and chicken and water and rice.
Now, do you want some seafood?
Yeah, I want some seafood.
You do?
But I like seafood.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Mom, where did yours go?
Right here.
Real, Mom. Over there. Mom, no, I can't do this. Pee.
That's your superpower?
Yeah.
What's your superpower?
Like that, look. I can't do that, look. Mom, look.
What do you want? Shrimp?
Yeah, I want this. Oh, that's a big fish.
Now, do you know how to take the skin off?
Yeah.
Take it off. Let me see. Yeah, you have to peel it off like this, see?
Like this? Like
Yeah.
this, Mom? I do that.
Alright, you gotta take the rest of it off. Or you want me to do it?
I got it.
Look, y'all, Rocco eating. Let me take some of mine.
You good?
It's good. Mm-hmm. Let me take the rest off. Actually, we're gonna put it in this bowl.
Bowl?
That's what I got the bowl for.
Mom, you got the palm bowl and I got the
You want
big
sauce?
bowl. Ooh. Sauce?
Alright.
Sauce? Mom, that hot sauce?
Mm-hmm.
I don't like hot sauce.
No, that's not hot sauce, it's butter.
Butter?
Yeah.
And then I go taste it. I think it.
Rocco's good? Good?
Mommy, wait.
So what do you want to be for Halloween?
I want the candy.
You want candy?
Uh-huh.
Who do you want to be though? What costume?
I want to be Iron Man
Iron Man?
with a mask.
So no Captain America?
Huh?
No Captain America? No?
Nope.
Rosie.
Hmm?
Rocco, who do you want to be?
No, he gotta be.
Huh?
No, he gotta be Captain America.
Captain America? You gonna be Captain America? Yeah.
That's good.
Not good.
Look. Can I have some more?
So you
Yeah.
don't want your fries and your chicken?
Mama. What's this?
No, I forgot.
Mom, I
I
want.
just love seafood.
Mama. What's it?
You want 4?
No, 5 cents. Mom, what is the name? Mom, 5 shrimps.
All right, hold on.
Shrimps.
I'm gonna give you one more shrimp.
Huh?
I'm gonna give you another shrimp.
Yeah. Mom, they feel really good.
Y'all just take all my little food.
Mom, we got potatoes. And we got, what do you call it?
Shrimp.
Fish. And we got other fish.
Corn.
And we got queen.
Oh, let me try this corn, y'all.
Well, what does it taste? Good? Taste it.
Mmm.
Want to go in? Let me taste it. Let me taste it. Let me taste it.
Mmm.
Oh!
Good. Want to try?
Mom, they comb me, you, Mom, they comb me, you keep gold. My leg. They got one gold.
You got one goat?
Look. One gold.
You got it?
What is this? Oh, right here?
Walk up. How old are you?
No.
How old are you? One.
Mom,
One.
he's not 5. He
Want
was.
water?
Good.
All right. Good job.
Mama, good. High 5. No, high 5.
Turn up. Good right up. Say that.
What high 5?
Y'all, we are just chowing down.
We gonna have salmon food. But we did not have salmon food. I go there. I am blue and Mama is red. And
No.
Rocco,
I'm yellow.
and Mama is red, yellow, and Rocco is red.
Rocco red.
And I is blue.
Blue. Blue.
Let's find my chicken.
Y'all, I really don't know what I want to be for Halloween. But I know I want to dress up.
Mom, you want to be their princess? Mom, you want to be a princess?
A princess? I can be a princess.
I want to see, Mom, you want to see the princess? I want to see, Mom, I want to see an Iron Man.
You want to see Iron Man?
Yeah, I want to see 5 superheroes. I want to see Spider-Man, Iron Man, Captain America. Mom, I want to see all of them.
Dude, it's really cool. Look.
But I don't have to. I said 5 cents, not 1.
No, you need to eat your food. You always want to eat my food. Here.
Oh. Corn. Oh, I don't want sauce. I don't want sauce. Make that sauce. Oh. Mom, why do you do that? Mom, that was mine.
Eat it.
Well, why do you take my fine?
All right, we're back.
What is me, welcome to.
Because he keeps asking.
My animal face. No, actually, why do you have the whole bag?
Because I got y'all chicken tenders and fries.
Huh?
And I'm sharing it with y'all.
Dang. Why you taking
You
my...
want to bite my potato?
What? No.
No? That's what you want? Rocco! Have kids, they say. And this one juicy. What you getting, Rocco? I mean, what you getting, Jane? Let me get some of y'all stuff since y'all. Give me a little fries.
What?
You just took mine, like you gotta put the shell off.
Huh, I said don't eat my fries.
You eating my shrimp.
Want to eat a whole bag? But I gotta eat in my side. I take the leg off. I take the leg off.
Why are you taking it off, Rocco?
The way to go. I know. I just take the leg off.
You took it off?
Yeah, I take the leg off.
Want me to take the rest of it off?
Huh?
Want me to take the rest of it off?
No. I got it.
Let me see.
No, I got it. When the two are gone.
Let me make sure.
Mom, I just got it.
You did a good job, bro.
My one's just getting sauce. No. Right here? That's in sauce? They're really good.
I'm good.
Mom, why is it yellow?
That's butter.
Huh? Color Bella? Butter? Wow. Mom, they look like butter peanut butter.
Not peanut butter. Not with seafood.
Mom likes jelly salad.
And jelly salad.
Yeah, they look like jelly.
You done, Rocco? No? Why you stop eating?
Mom, look.
Huh?
Mom,
Why
look.
you stop eating?
Look. Another song. Chicken wing.
Chilling with my homie.
No. Good God. Mom can have my french fries. Mom can have my french fries.
Now I can have a french fry. All right, wait. You did you touch your chicken yet?
No.
Why?
Mom, I'll take one piece. One piece. Mom, I'll take one piece.
Sorry,
Mom, there other fish.
all right, get it.
Dip, my dip like this. Look.
Yep, but remember you gotta take the skin off.
Oh, kilo. Oh, that's how you take this shit off. My